When words just cannot express your passion, attract like-minded people to your Airbnb listing or short-term rental by turning your house into an art exhibit that your guest can appreciate. I am an art lover who adores the wonders of the universe, and this is how I illustrate my passion and add value to my listing. Leave your guests stunned, amazed, and speechless with 3D wall art exhibits that can be placed in your home or office. Click on the link or image for more information. And remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. Enjoy the slideshow.